Thanks, Vinod, so much for having me here. It's a wonderful initiative. My story actually started when I was about 15 or 14 years old. I happened to be reading Sherlock Holmes, and there's a very good short story. It's called The Dancing Little Men. And
Okay.
that had a term called cryptography, and I just happened to Google, okay, what is cryptography? And it led me into a sort of rabbit holes going from one place to another and finding about the field of cybersecurity. So
Okay.
I've always had that target that that's the field I want to pursue.
Thank you so much, sir, for having me. I think for me, all my life growing up, I've always been that student who's been more inclined to social sciences and arts rather than science and math. And I don't think I was even very good at science and math growing up. So I
Okay.
had an affinity towards social sciences. As a student, I think I'm very appreciative of the education system because in my 11th and 12th, which is my senior secondary, I had the option of choosing humanities, and I chose five different subjects. So I had history, economics, psychology, legal studies, and English. And I think just doing five different subjects just gave me so much insight on how much is out there that is probably not well known and mainstream, because a lot of people don't think of these careers or think of these subjects also as something that you can develop a career in.
What job would you like to do?
So, in real honesty, I think that is a little early for me to answer that question, given that I'm still in my
Okay.
second year of college. But I do have I think, a small insight as to what I would want, and I think that. So, before I come to that, I think I'm able to do that purely because of the fact that right now, as a college student, as an undergraduate student, I'm doing internships. And I think for every undergraduate student, or maybe even your high school in your 11th and 12th, doing volunteer work, doing field related internships, paid or unpaid is secondary, but getting that experience, that real life practical experience, is what will help you choose rather than your course. Because what I learn in my textbook versus, and I'm sure both of them will be able to agree with me, please correct me if I'm wrong, but what I learn in my textbook versus what I do tomorrow at a job seems to be poles apart.
Yeah.
And nothing can make me ready for a job like an internship can, because in an internship, the work I do is lesser, but the experience I get is way more by just looking at what the people in the job are doing, the people who are senior to me are doing.